Hey guys, you're here live with MVI, and today I got something super sweet to bring to you. This is going to be our all-new video interface. We're calling it the CarPlay portal. Basically, it's going to unlock CarPlay for a lot of cool stuff, as I'm about to show you. So all your GM vehicles that are equipped with CarPlay, including all you guys that have upgraded to CarPlay in your 14 and 15 vehicles, this will work. 2019 and 2020 vehicles, which I'll show you that interface here in a second. This is not working on the new 21 SUVs, just FYI. Also have fitments for Ford, Toyota, Honda, and Nissan, Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep coming, along with Hyundai and some other European cars as well. So pretty cool stuff. I'm going to show you how this works. You're going to notice we're in a 2016 GMC Sierra, factory nav, all that good stuff. And you'll notice the CarPlay icon is lit up. I'm going to hit this guy, and I've got a whole new interface that is fully swipeable on touchscreen display. I can go right back to the main CarPlay, the main IntelliLink by hitting car, or because it is part of the system now, we can just simply hit home and go right back there as well. So pretty cool stuff there. But to get you kind of showing you what's going on here, this does have built-in Google Maps. So if you do not want to plug your smartphone in and run data, we can actually use the Google Maps that are built into this system now and not use your phone. As you can see, there's no phone plugged in. So this will pull up and run Google Maps right here on the screen for you. I do have some stuff to work out for the microphone, so at this point it's most likely going to be enter your address and whatnot on screen. I'm gonna have to dial in what we're gonna do for the microphone portion of it, but as you can see, built-in Google Maps, which is pretty cool. And then let's get over to the fun stuff, guys. So this does now actually have Google Play, so we can go right to the Play Store and download any kind of video apps that you want right here onto the system. Again, full touchscreen control here, factory control, super smooth, works awesome. So any of your favorite video apps that you want to download, such as Prime Video, etc., you can do so. We've gone ahead and hard loaded Netflix and YouTube, so we can go right to Netflix. What I will say as well on this, guys, this does require a Wi-Fi connection for all this stuff to work. So you'll have to either have a Wi-Fi puck, pair into the Wi-Fi of your vehicle and use that, or Wi-Fi hotspot right off your phone. But as you can see, I'm controlling everything right here on the touch screen. Full audio, full control, just like we were sitting and watching it. So it's all pretty sweet stuff here, guys. I'm super excited to bring this to you. There is this little overlay when I'm in it is what goes back to your home screen. And as you can see, I'm paired to Wi-Fi here, so you do have to be paired up. But now I can go to YouTube and any of your other apps, your video apps, guys, that you like to use. Hulu, YouTube TV, I just don't have all that on here. But we can go right here to YouTube and select, whatever we want on this stuff, guys.
Feeling drained? Soak in your skin.
And you'll see, here's the YouTube ad, which it's not going to let us skip, but you could skip it if you want. You can also pause it, minimize it, exit out, go to another vehicle or video. So this is literally just like being on your phone, guys. So pretty cool stuff. Let's move on. Now, as usual, good old Android is buggy, but we can also mirror the iPhone anyway perfectly. I did have an S9 go halfway through this and it didn't like the rest of it. So you Android users, I'm not sure on yet. I'm gonna have to work all that out. But for iPhone, we can now go here. I am wireless. There's a little setup that you have to go through, which I've already done on my phone. I'm just gonna go screen mirroring. I'm gonna select it. We tried this on 2 Android phones and I got to this portion here, but it wouldn't actually connect on the Android. So I'm not quite sure what the process there is going to be, guys, but so now I'm mirroring my phone right on the screen there, guys. Literally whatever you want to do on your phone. YouTube, Netflix, Apple TV, I suppose, yada yada yada, it's all right there. So phone mirroring. And then last but not least, guys, let me get out of here. I've also got USB video, so we'll go ahead and hit this U-disc. And if you've got some video located or loaded on a USB flash drive, we can go here. I've only got a couple videos on here. Full audio controls on your steering wheel, guys, because it is using your factory system, which is pretty cool. Go to the other file and play it just like you normally would. So USB video, guys. So pretty rounded little module here for you guys as far as in-vehicle entertainment goes. And with this app store, even more functionality. I never have time to really play with all this, but all good stuff to go. I'm running out of battery here, so I'm going to move on to the 2020 interface, guys. So go ahead and do that. If you'll open the door. Somewhat on. All right, guys, we're back. Sorry I wasn't quite prepared. I had to get the phone plugged in as well. Anyway, I've got the new 1920 interface on here, guys. I don't have audio to show you in this because I haven't cracked that part of this yet, as far as retrofitting this interface back. But now I've got my full interface right here on the screen. Back to Netflix. So full Netflix control, just like before on here. Go through and pick what you want type thing. YouTube, same scenario. Same stuff here, guys. Full YouTube control. And go back to our USB video. We've got our video on screen via USB as usual. And back to the mirroring, phone mirroring portion of it. Again, just connect. And now I'm mirroring the full phone as well. So pretty cool stuff, guys. This gives you all your video entertainment you've been asking for. You can also move the apps around. I'm not quite sure what I did. Yeah, you can move apps around in here by putting stuff up onto this the bottom home screen, basically. So we could take YouTube and move it up here. Now we'll go back home. And as you can see, I got YouTube right there. So you can load all your favorites right there. So that's kind of a cool little feature. And the Google Maps hard-coded in. So again, guys, your phone does not have to be plugged in for this to work as far as the Google Mapping goes. You do need to be plugged in to or connected to the Wi-Fi for all this feature stuff to work. So hotspot from your phone, your car's hotspot, Wi-Fi puck, etc. You're definitely going to need that. So pretty cool stuff, guys. As usual, message us and we will we'll be happy to take care of you. Talk to you soon. Thanks so much.